Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class, Innovative Novel. Namaskar. Myself, Vinny Darlamin, the basic teacher of Novel Environment Academy and science teacher as well. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our Novel Environment Academy YouTube channel. Okay, now today is day 6 and I would like to welcome you all in our science online class for class 1. In our previous class we have learned about animals and plants, the features of animals and plants, and I have give you the homework as well. I hope you have done at your home. Now in today's class we will learn about different types of animals. The topic of our today's class is about different types of animals and it is unit 8. In our surrounding we can see different types of animals around us. So there are different varieties of animals and today we will learn about that kind of animals. Now let's start our class. All animals need food to live and grow. Animals used to move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter or water. As we all know that we need food to live and grow. Without food we cannot survive our life. Likewise, animals also need food to live or grow or to survive their life. Animals used to move from one place to another place. As you all know that animals, they never stay in one place. They used to move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter or water. They used to move for food, shelter or water. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat only meat or flesh of other animals, and some animals eat both plant and flesh. Some animals, they used to eat only plants. There are different kinds of animals. They used to eat only plants, and there are also some animals they used to eat only meat of other animals. And there are also some animals they eat both plant also and flesh also. Now we will learn about these kinds of animals, in which category they are belongs to. Now in first place it is herbivorous. Now first topic is about herbivorous. Do you know what do you mean by herbivorous? What is herbivorous? The animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous. Those animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous. Those animals are called herbivorous. Some animals eat grass and leaf of plant, such as animals are herbivorous. Some animals they used to eat grass or green leaf of plants. Such animals are known as herbivorous. For example, cow, goat, rabbit, buffalo, sheep, elephant, etc. These are the examples of herbivorous. These are the animals that like cow, goat, rabbit, buffalo, sheep, elephant, etc. These are the animals that are herbivorous. They are belongs to herbivorous. They eat green plants, green leaves. So these are known as herbivorous. And you can see the pictures also. Goat, it is eating the grass. Next one, cow, it is also eating the grass. Next one is sheep, it is also eating the green grass. So herbivorous means those animals that eat only green plants or leaf are known as herbivorous. Now our second topic is carnivorous. It is our second topic. It is carnivorous. Do you know what does it mean? What is carnivorous? Now let's see. The animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Some animals eat only flesh of other animals. Such animals are carnivorous. For example, lion, crocodile, tiger, snake, vulture, kingfisher, etc. These are the examples of carnivorous. So now, what do you understand? What is the meaning of carnivorous? Those animals that eat only flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous. Some animals they only used to eat flesh of other animals. They do not eat plants, green plants or green leaf. Such animals are called carnivorous. For example, like lion, crocodile, tiger, snake, vulture, kingfisher, etc. These are the animals that belongs to carnivorous. These are carnivorous animals. Now you can also see in the picture, it is vulture. It is eating the meat of other animals. Eating the flesh of other animals. Here is lion. It is also eating the flesh of other animals. And here it is kingfisher. It is also eating the fish. So, do you understand what do you mean by carnivorous? Those animals that eat flesh or meat of other animals, these are known as carnivorous. They only eat flesh of other animals. So, such animals are carnivorous. Now, our third point is insectivorous. Insectivorous. Now, it is our third point. Now, what do you understand by insectivorous? What do you know about insectivorous? What is insectivorous? Now, let's see. The animals that feed on insects animals are called insectivorous. Some animals eat insects. Such animals are insectivorous. For example, spider, lizard, frog, sparrow, etc. These are the example of insectivorous. Some insectivorous are given below. Okay, what do you understand by insectivorous? Those animals that feed on insect, those animals that eat only the insects. These are insectivorous. They depend on insect. Some animals eat insect. Likewise, there are some animals who only eat the insects. Such animals are called insectivorous. Such animals are called insectivorous. For example, spider, lizard, frog, sparrow, etc. These are the examples of insectivorous. Now you can also see in the picture, here is a spider. It is used to eat the insect. To survive their life, its food is insect. And here is lizard. It is also used to eat insect. And this one is frog, as you all know that. Frog also feed on insect. It is used to eat the insect. Okay, do you understand what do you mean by insectivorous? Those animals that feed on insects are known as insectivorous. These animals used to eat only the insects, and such animals are insectivorous. And you have seen the examples also. Spider, lizard, frog, sparrow, they all depend on insects. So these are the insectivorous. Now, it is our last point, and it is omnivorous. Omnivorous. Now, do you know what do you mean by omnivorous? What is omnivorous? The animals that feed on both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. Some animals eat both plants and flesh. Such animals are omnivorous. For example, bear, crow, dog, cat, man, etc. These are the examples of omnivorous. Okay, now what do you understand? What is omnivorous? Those animals that feed on both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. omnivorous animals, they used to eat both plants also and flesh also. Such animals are known as omnivorous. Those animals that feed on both plant and insects, these are known as plants and flesh, these are known as omnivorous. Now you can see the pictures also. For example, bear, crow, dog, cat, man. We human being also known as omnivorous. Why we are called omnivorous? Because we used to eat green plants like vegetables, fruits, and also the meat. So we are also known as the omnivorous. And here are some examples. Bear. Bear is also the omnivorous animal. It is eating the fish. Next one, crow. Crow is also the example of omnivorous. And we human being, men, we are also called the omnivorous. So do you understand what do you mean by the omnivorous? Those animals that feed on both plant also and flesh also, such animals are known as omnivorous. They eat both plants and flesh. Like bear, crow, dog, cat, man, these all are belongs to omnivorous animals. Now this is it. I hope you have understood about the different types of animals in our today's class. Now just see your homework. Now homework for today's class is this for class 1. In question number 1, what are herbivores? Now you have to write down what do you understand about the herbivores. Those animals that eat only the plants are known as herbivores. Now you have to write the answer. And in number 2, what are carnivorous? What do you understand about the carnivorous? Those animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous. And number 3, what are insectivorous? What do you understand about insectivorous? Those animals that feed on insects are known as insectivorous. And number 4, what are omnivorous? What do you understand by omnivorous? Those animals that feed on both plant and flesh are known as omnivorous. And in number 5, what does a crow eat? Now do you understand what does a crow eat? What it used to eat? Write down the answer. You have to write yourself. And number 6, what does a tiger eat? Do you know what does a tiger eat? Write down the answer. And number 7, what does a cow eat? You have known that what does cow eat, so write down your own answer. You can write your own answer. Okay, if you know, then you can write your own answer.